Hi, I'm Jesse Yoder. I'm the owner here at Just Performance here in Shipshewana, Indiana. I've always trusted Bosch parts in every vehicle I work on. There's no better way to be rewarded extra than joining the Bosch Authorized Diesel Network.
I buy and use Bosch parts because they are high quality and standard. Bosch's workshop locator drives customers to shops like mine. Plus, they offer their network free training webinars on all kinds of applications,
Not just diesel. For us, it's cool to be aligned with one of the biggest names in diesel parts. We take pride in working with the best.
When customers see the Bosch name on my building, they know that the parts we're using to repair the vehicles are high-quality parts that keep their vehicle running smoothly. It's one of the reasons we have loyal customers and referrals to our shop. The Extra Rewards catalog has everything you can think of, from home appliance to electronics to travel and business solutions.
It's a great program that costs absolutely nothing to join. Customers' trust is built by being honest and getting them back in their truck as quickly as possible. They want to know that we're using high-quality parts, and when they see that we are aligned with Bosch, they trust us.
It's pretty rare that we have warranty claims on Bosch parts, but when we do, the process is easy and hassle-free. And Bosch actually offers a 2-year extended warranty on select parts for Bosch Authorized Diesel locations.
If you want to stand out among your competitors, join a proven program like the Bosch Diesel Network. Bosch's OE and OE quality parts are there to keep the diesels running.
We're just excited about building our business and building our customer base and continue to use Bosch quality parts.